So one of my goals for the course is to develop an online tool that students will be able to use to set some goals and monitor those goals during the course of the year. And I want to have a tool they can use either in the classroom or remotely. And then I also, as part of that, I want to try to develop a learning management system or sort of a place where students can go to get assignments and things like that. I just used my blog in the spring, but if I'm teaching remotely and having to do more teaching, really, than I had to do in the spring, then I need some sort of a platform to do that on. So since Cobb County is kind of married to Microsoft tools, set this up in Microsoft Teams so far, and this is what I've got for my show and tell for my project. So this is my 7th grade math first period class that I've created. And what I've been playing around with so far is the stuff in the class notebook. So I have a collaboration space and then the content library where I'd be putting notes for students to use. And then I've gone ahead and added my 2 children to my class because they are Cobb County students. So I'll be able to sort of see things from their perspective as well by logging in as them. And for my daughter Alexis, I've added a section to her notebook called Math Learning Goals. And I've created a page that's first quarter goals. So what this looks like is this is what I would put in every student's class notebook, sort of the template I would put in here. And it has a heading here, set your smart math goals for the first quarter, and then tells them what's expected. And then there's a box that where they're putting their information right here, their 3 goals and their action plans. So I kind of wanted, once I started researching having students set goals for themselves, I wanted to leave it pretty open-ended so that they could be, have more buy-in, be more engaged in the process. So, and then at the bottom here, I have ideas for them setting their goals. So I'm gonna put, this is not completely filled out yet, but in this template, I would say you could set goals for your math inventory score, and then this is where I would fill in for each student when I create their notebook what their most recent math inventory score was. It's really the best score that we have that we can use to sort of benchmark our students, and it's something that all Cobb County students take. So, and then I have this spot here where I'm going to have a little PDF that I've already started that maps the scores to basically show them what kind of gaps that means they have. So like if they scored a 500, then they would be able to look at that PDF and see, okay, 500 means that I need to work on fractions and decimals or, whatever. I'd have those things listed. And then over here, I'd have another PDF that I've started already that will link them to YouTube videos and online practice problems to practice in those specific skills. So that's more skills-based stuff and it's more personalized and they can use that. And then I'm going to put some general information about some goals and resources you could use for time management, completing assignments on time, and then leaving the last one open for what ideas students have. So the thought would be that they would be setting these goals, and then we would monitor them throughout the quarter, and then we'd set new goals the second quarter. So, so I'm excited about this. I'm excited about what I have so far in Teams, and also this template and how it's coming together. And of course, like everything else, we would give it a try and then see what modifications need to be made as we go. There it is. That's my show and tell. Thanks.